Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be going to learn how to install and configure DHCP server. pFsense provides a very easy and straightforward steps to install and configure DHCP server with just a few clicks. Let's get started. In the client's PC, open up a browser and navigate to the pFsense web interface. Log in using your server's username and password. Next, go to Services and click on the DHCP server. As you can see, our DHCP backend is KEA DHCP. This is what we set in the networking option from the previous episode. We use KEA DHCP since ISC DHCP was already deprecated. Let's go back to the DHCP server configuration. Click on the Enable checkbox to enable DHCP server on LAN. Next, set up the DHCP pool range. The pool range defines the range of IP addresses that will be given to the clients who request IP from the DHCP server. Enter the server's LAN IP address in the Wins server option. Do the same for the DNS server option. If you ever wonder why I use the server's IP address in the DNS server option instead of the Google's DNS, simply because I want this server to act as DNS resolver in the future. Next, the gateway should also be your server's LAN IP. You can also change the DHCP minimum and maximum lease time. This option determines the duration before the DHCP leases expires. Hit on Save and click on Apply Changes. That's it. To check on the DHCP status, go to the dashboard and look for the service's status. You can also restart or stop the service from there. Now, let's connect the client's PC to the DHCP server. Open Network Settings and click on Properties. Next, click on Edit and change your IP configuration from manual to DHCP. Then click on Save. DHCP will automatically assign IP to the client's PC. We can also request IP from the DHCP server using the command prompt. Type in ipconfig/release to release existing configuration. Next, enter ipconfig/renew to request IP from the DHCP server. And as you can see, the DHCP server automatically set the client's IP along with the DNS suffix techdelete.lan. Enter ipconfig/all to view more information about the settings. Next, go to Status and click on DHCP Leases. This is where you can see the list of clients connected to the DHCP server. The information contains the IP, MAC address, and hostname of the client machine. You can also see when will the DHCP lease expires. Next, if you want to add static lease mapping for the selected client, you can do so by clicking on the plus icon. Enter the IP address of this client. The IP address should not be within the DHCP pool. Click on Save and Apply Changes. And you can now see that static mapping is added. Every time the client requests IP from the DHCP server, it will be assigned with that specific IP address only. Now go ahead to the dashboard and restart the DHCP server. This will allow all changes to take effect. That's it. We have now installed and configured the DHCP server. In the next episode, we will be going to install and configure a proxy server to distribute internet and optimize browsing experience to all clients. Till then, stay tuned and peace.